Good morning, students. So we have done degrees of comparison. So now we are going to proceed with that only. Interchange of the degree of comparison. It is possible to change the degrees of comparison of adjectives, that is from positive to comparative, as I've already told you, or superlative degree, or vice versa. The following example of interchange of degrees of comparison may be examined. Positive: no other metal is as useful as iron. Comparative: iron is more useful than any other metal. Superlative: iron is the most useful of all metals. Now I will write this example and I will show you. The question is, no other metal is as useful as iron. Now, how we will come to know about the degrees? See, as this one is a positive degree. Now we have to change into comparative. That means this one is positive. We are going to change this into comparative and superlative. We are going to change this into comparative and superlative. So remember this iron, whether it is comparative or superlative, we are going to place it at first. Iron. For in both the sentence, I have put iron at the first place. Now comparative, useful, and comparative degree will be more useful. Iron is more useful. Iron is more useful than any other metal. We have used any other metal. Now for the superlative degree, we are going to write iron is, here we are going to add the most. For this, with superlative degree, we use the. Iron is the most useful of all metals. So this one is superlative degree, this one is positive, this one is comparative, and this one is superlative. Now other example here is positive degree. Now, no other girl in the class is as intelligent as Nalini. So for the comparative, what we have done, Nalini name we have placed at first. In the superlative also we have placed at first. Nalini is more intelligent than any other girl in the class. Nalini is the most intelligent girl in the class. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Now we will take the other example, elder and eldest. Elder and eldest are applied to the person only and are now used in speaking of the members of the same family. Than is not used after elder. Remember this, than is not used after elder because old and the comparative degree is elder, but we will not use than. Here also we have used than for comparative, here also we have used than, but with elder we will not use than. My elder brother is a doctor. He was the elder of the two sons, member of the same family. He is my eldest son, firstborn. Next one is older and oldest. Older and oldest are applied both to persons and things, and than is sometimes used after older. Than is sometimes used after the older. Now see, the building is older than. We have used than here. The other. He was older of the two. When we are talking about the friends, we have used here of. Sohan is the oldest boy in the class. Next one is farther and further. Farther means more distance and further means something in addition. As Allahabad is farther from Jaipur than Agra. This must be finished without further delay. One is distance and other one is in addition. Next, note in British English, further is also now used to show distance. That means this further. In British English also now they use to show distance. In American English only, farther is used to refer to distance. Nearer, next. Nearest denotes distance or space. Next denotes position. The nearest post office is a kilometer down the road. That means distance. My brother lives in the next house. That means position. His shop is next to us. That means again position. Then latter, later, latest, last. Later and latest refer to time. Please underline this. Latter and last denotes position. You have to remember all this. I was shocked to hear about the incident but was delighted later when I learned all the facts. This later means time. I learned all the facts. The latter means denote position. The latter portion of the book is rather difficult. That means position. What is the latest news? Time. The last story is the most interesting. Is this position. Now, avoid the following errors in the use of adjective. The cloth is finer than that. We will not use more finer. We will use this cloth is finer. Fine, finer, finest. This cloth is the finest of all, not the most finest. This scheme is preferable to that, not more preferable. Of the three, Mohan, Sohan and Karim, the last is the noblest, not the latter. Note, latter is used in the case of two. Last for two than more than two. Please underline this also. Latter is used in the case of two and the last for more than two. He want not less than 2 kilos of milk, not fewer. Then no fewer than 2 men were engaged, not less. This you also have to remember. Already we have done this. Few, fewer, little, less, least. All you have done this. So please do till here. Then next we will do in the next class. Thank you.